Having trouble connecting your HP OfficeJet Pro 9025 to Wi-Fi? Don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the complete wireless setup using the printer's touchscreen. The process is quick and straightforward, and you should have your printer connected to your wireless network within just a few minutes. If you need additional help during the setup, simply call the support number shown on your screen. Otherwise, let's get started. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to Print Smart Help for more easy-to-follow printer setup and troubleshooting videos. First, turn on your HP OfficeJet Pro 9025 and allow it a few moments to finish starting up. Once the printer is ready, go to the touchscreen panel and swipe down from the top of the display. Tap the settings icon to open the printer settings. From the settings menu, select Network Setup. Next, go to Wireless Settings and select Wireless Setup Wizard. This will begin the Wi-Fi setup process. Your printer will now scan for nearby wireless networks. Wait a few moments while it searches for available Wi-Fi connections. While the printer is scanning, don't forget to subscribe to Print Smart Help for more helpful printer tutorials. When the list of available networks appears, look for your Wi-Fi network and tap on it to select it. The printer will now ask for your Wi-Fi password. Enter the password carefully, making sure every letter, number and character is correct. Once you've entered the password, tap OK to continue. You may notice the blue wireless light on the printer flashing. This indicates that the printer is attempting to connect to your Wi-Fi network. Give it a few moments to complete the connection. Once the printer successfully connects, tap OK to finish the setup. That's it! Your HP OfficeJet Pro 9025 is now connected to your wireless network and ready for wireless printing. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to Print Smart Help for more simple printer setup and troubleshooting guides. For additional printer assistance, you can call the support number displayed on your screen. And if there's a printer model or problem you'd like us to cover, leave the details in the comments below. Thanks for watching Print Smart Help.